spot this private jet, and whichever one of these 100 pilots wins this video keeps it!
For the first challenge, the pilots all split up into 3 teams.
No way I'm going home.
To be the first team to pull their 40,000-pound plane across the finish line.
3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to game number 2, Jet Spinner! Yeah! Start the engine!
This ain't good. I don't like it.
Here we go. The plane is getting started.
Inject the fuel, baby.
The private jet you're competing for is ramping up its thrusters to produce 60-mile-per-hour winds. The jet will then begin to rotate in a circle in an attempt to blow each of you off your platform.